Hi guys, David Camilleri here, performance coach. I want to make this quick video and talk about something that's it's been a little annoying lately, and what I'm finding with a lot of people is this victim mentality that people have about pointing fingers at people, saying it's his fault that I lost my job, or it's my parents' fault that I'm not where I am because they smacked me or because they didn't give me enough love. People, one little secret about life, the only secret about life that you need to actually take in and start assimilating with your existence. And you know what that is? It starts with you and ends with you. It is up to you. Don't be pointing the finger at people saying it's his fault, her fault, my parents' fault, my brother's fault, my sister's fault, my friend's fault that I'm not where I'm supposed to be. If you're not where you're supposed to be, whether it's your career, your relationship, your body, it is because of the choices you make. Not because of anyone else, but because of the choices you made. You're fat? Yeah, fat. If you're overweight and you're not happy with your body, probably because you're eating too much and you're not getting to the gym. It's your choices you've done that, no one else's. It's not your genes, it's not your big boned, that's rubbish. It's the fact that you're putting too much food in your mouth and you're not exercising enough. Same with your work. If you're getting up and you're going to a job from 9 to 5 and it's killing you, then educate yourself and get another job. Raise your value so that you can offer people more value and you'll get more value in return. That you're having financial trouble, probably because you're not offering enough value to the world, enough value to people. Stop blaming people. Stop blaming your education. Stop blaming where you live. Just take responsibility for yourself. If it's going to be, it's up to me. I love that saying. Start to take control of your life. Start to create a life that you want because it's up to you. So stop pointing the finger at other people and blaming other people. Sorry for my rant, but I'm finding this victim mentality everywhere. If you want your life to change, it is up to you and no one else. I hope you got a little bit of value out of this. Take responsibility. You've got the power within you. Start to change your life. It's up to you.